If you've ever heard the term stablecoin and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll break it down in simple terms. What stablecoins are, how they work, why they matter, and how they're used. What is a stablecoin? A stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency designed to have a stable value, unlike regular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can be highly volatile. The goal of a stablecoin is to combine the benefits of cryptocurrency, fast transactions, security, and accessibility, with the stability of traditional money. Stablecoins achieve this stability by being pegged to a real-world asset, such as fiat currency, like the US dollar, most common, commodities, like gold or other valuable assets, other cryptocurrencies. Some stablecoins use crypto-based reserves to maintain their value. Examples of popular stablecoins. Here are some well-known stablecoins and how they maintain stability. USDT, Tether, pegged one with the US dollar and backed by cash reserves and other assets. USDC, USD coin, also backed by US dollar reserves and regularly audited for transparency. DAI, a decentralized stablecoin backed by Ethereum-based assets. BUZD, Binance USD, a regulated stablecoin backed by US dollars. How are stablecoins used? Stablecoins have many practical uses, including trading and investing. Traders use stablecoins to move money in and out of crypto markets without converting back to fiat currency. Payments and remittances. People can send stablecoins across borders quickly and cheaply compared to traditional banking systems. Savings and DeFi, decentralized finance. Users can earn interest on stablecoins by lending them out in DeFi applications. Everyday transactions. Some businesses accept stablecoins as payment because they hold a consistent value, unlike Bitcoin. Why are stablecoins important? Price stability. Unlike volatile cryptocurrencies, stablecoins don't fluctuate wildly in value. Fast and low-cost transfers. Moving stablecoins across borders is quicker and cheaper than traditional banking. Access to digital finance. People in countries with unstable currencies or limited banking options can use stablecoins for financial security. Bridge between crypto and fiat. Stablecoins allow for easy conversion between crypto and traditional money. Things to consider before using stablecoins. Regulation. Some stablecoins are under government scrutiny, and regulations may impact their use. Backing and transparency. Not all stablecoins are fully backed by cash reserves, so always check the issuer's transparency reports. Security. Like any digital asset, you should store stablecoins in a secure wallet to protect against hacks. Final thoughts. Stablecoins are an essential part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. They offer a safe, efficient, and reliable way to store and transfer value without the price swings of traditional cryptocurrencies. Whether you're new to crypto or looking for a secure way to transact, stablecoins are a great place to start. Would you use stablecoins in your everyday transactions? Let me know your thoughts.